As a business owner, do you feel that you are paying too much to the IRS? Do you want to know the secret to paying less or even no taxes? It is possible. It takes some work, but understanding your tax position and using the right strategies for your business will bring you closer to your tax goals. This is done through tax planning, which ultimately stimulates you and your wealth. Our book, How to Grow Your Wealth Through Tax Planning, arms you with the skills you need to make the most out of tax planning, including foundational insight into your business's entity structure, income shifting, compliance necessities, various tax deductions, and other valuable practices that all work together to reduce your tax bill. Do you want to retire early? Perhaps you want your business to have explosive growth. There are many different goals you may have in regard to your finances, but being aware of them is how they will become attainable. Once you have a clear financial goal of what you want to accomplish, then you begin tax planning. Make sure to keep in mind that tax planning is not tax evasion, and it is not magic that will instantly reduce your tax burden to zero. It's not impossible to achieve a tax position that results in owing no money to the IRS, but it requires careful planning and timely implementation, both for the short term and the long term. But to dig deeper into how to tax plan, as a business owner, you should know your revenue, expenses, profit, and taxable income. Essentially, without a reliable accounting system to generate accurate financial statements, a business owner won't be able to perform tax planning effectively. Understanding your financial performance is vital to the success of your business, but how about looking even deeper? Examine your financial position. Are you operating under the right entity structure? Is your business better off with a different structure from the perspective of risk protection? Will you gain additional tax benefits with entity restructuring? How many types of entities are there? You work so hard to make your business as successful as possible. Naturally, you deserve to compensate yourself. How do you determine an appropriate salary? You could simply cut yourself a check, but if you run a corporation, you have more options, like putting yourself on your company's payroll or taking a dividend distribution. While working hard to grow your business and lower your tax burden, some forget about paying estimated taxes. This can result in underpayment penalties from the IRS, so make sure you are submitting your 1040-ES payments every quarter. For those business owners who are thinking of retiring early, saving for retirement is critical. From solo 401k, 401k and profit sharing, simple IRA, SEP IRA, self-directed IRA, to defined benefit plans, setting up a retirement plan will help you defer taxes to a later date. If you're looking to reduce your taxable income, deductions are important. There are many deductions that a business owner could take advantage of, including auto deductions, home office deductions, equipment purchases, and more. Keep in mind that substantiation is key in proving your deductions to the IRS in the case of an audit, so don't be lax in record keeping. Do you have children of working age? Consider hiring them to work for your business. Doing so can instantly take you to the zero tax bracket. If that isn't quite possible for you, another option is by setting up a management company for your business. Many of these strategies involve a long-term commitment to planning and implementing them throughout the year. If you are looking for a quick fix to reduce your taxes last minute at the end of the year, taking advantage of safe harbor rules may be beneficial for you. Of course, all this work will be in vain if you fail to stay in compliance, because that could increase your IRS audit risk. That is why it should be a priority to stay in compliance with all IRS regulations. Remember, tax planning is tax avoidance, not tax evasion. You can't tax plan without practicing sound financial stewardship. If you are willing to commit time and energy towards tax planning, that is a sign of a responsible business owner. Continue watching for an exclusive preview of Chapter 1 of How to Grow Your Wealth Through Tax Planning, and good luck on your tax planning journey.